Sleep is the lead domino of your performance. Sleep is the main thing. It's the lead domino. You see, if you don't get enough sleep, it compromises all of your decision making. I know if I don't get enough sleep, I'm not the best business owner. I know if I'm not the best, get the best sleep, I'm not the best parent. I'm not the best husband. Can you relate? Okay, can you see when you don't have the best sleep, you are not performing at your best in whatever arena that is, whether it's exercise, anything. Okay, so the first shift is a mindset shift, and it's realizing that you are a decision making athlete. You're going to be making decisions all day long, and those decisions affect the quality of your life. And in order to make great decisions, it's your knowledge and skills. So the things that you're learning today and things that you picked up over your life, your knowledge and skills, plus your physical and mental well-being. That's your ability to make good decisions. If you're great, feeling great, but you don't have good knowledge and skills, harder to make good decisions. If you got all the knowledge and skills, but you're not feeling great, you don't have physical, mental well-being, your decision making is compromised.